Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power mirrors with signals, rain guards, deep tinted privacy glass, and much more. 16-inch machined contrast alloy wheels, all-season tires, LED daytime running lights, a recovery hook, wide-angle fog lights, and a strong six-cylinder four-wheel drive with only 19,028 miles. The sliding rear window, LED brake lights, the tow package, and a comfortable back seat option with cup holders. The front row, adjustable fabric bucket seating. Cruise, AC, a locking glove box, a wireless charger, a push-button start, selective internet, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.